Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Janki's Cookbook. In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of bread chaat, a roadside food in Kolkata. My mom has been making this for us since our childhood days, and today too she'll be sharing the recipe for the same. Do hit the like button if you like it. So to begin with, we take about 4 medium-sized boiled mashed potatoes in a bowl. Add 1 medium-sized finely chopped cucumber, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 finely chopped tomato, 2 spoons of chaat masala. She has used Everest chaat masala, half a spoon of black salt or kala namak, half a spoon of black pepper or kali mirch. Squeeze in half a piece of lemon. Add in half a spoon of salt. Now mix everything well. A small tip, make sure you use a good chopper which does not squeeze out tomato and cucumber juice, or else this masala will get very soggy. I will link my chopper's link below for your reference. Take a slice of bread, apply coriander chutney generously. I'll be linking the video of the chutney's recipe below in the description box. Spread the masala we made on the bread. You can see the consistency of the masala or stuffing. It's quite thick and not soggy, so it won't really break or sog the bread. Place some roasted peanuts above and sprinkle some save on the top. Cut the bread into 4 pieces and serve it with ketchup or chutney. So that's it guys, I hope you all liked this video, and if you all did, then please subscribe to my channel and go follow me on my Insta handle Janki's Cookbook. Bye for now, I'll see you in my next one.